Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll walk you through how to download and install GTA San Andreas on your PC. Before we begin, don't forget to check out the latest links and offers below this video. Let's get into it. So, if you're wondering how to install and play GTA on your PC, it's actually a pretty straightforward process. We'll be using Steam to get GTA up and running on your device. Now, if you're new to Steam, it's a platform where you can browse, purchase, and download games. To get started, if you haven't created a Steam account yet, go ahead and set one up. It's simple to do. Once you're signed in, you'll be taken to the Steam homepage. From here, search for GTA in the search bar and hit enter. This will display all the GTA games available on Steam. Look for Grand Theft Auto San Andreas from the list. You'll find the definitive edition of the game. Click on it. At this point, you'll be prompted to enter your date of birth, as this game contains content that isn't suitable for younger audiences. After entering your info, click on View Page. Next, scroll down a little and you'll see the option to add the game to your cart. Click on Add to Cart and you'll be redirected to your shopping cart page. Here, you have two choices. You can either buy the game for yourself or gift it to a friend who's also on Steam. For this guide, we'll go with purchasing the game for ourselves. Once the payment is completed, the game will be added to your Steam library. And that's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.